Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the flower locations. Okay, now let's just go ahead through these buildings right here on the cake island here. I want you to go through this exact spot right here. That's flower number 1. Go on top of this building right here. This is flower location number 2. Just right on top here. One of these pentagonal building rather, you can find it here also. And after that, just go ahead to the this exact spot right here where these mushrooms spawn here on green zone. You could find them here. This exact spot right here. Again, just follow through step by step, okay? And just explore the island itself. Now let's just go ahead. This one spawns at night, and you can find it here on the cave island. And once you're done with that, once you're done with the cave island, just go ahead and find the NPC. There's an NPC in this particular part of the island where you had to slay, and it'll generate the last flower that you need. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.